Okay, so let's do two quick sketches. We'll do an orthographic and perspective sketch. I'm just gonna do something simple that I could just bust out. So let's just do something like a utility knife. Okay. I guess the one thing I didn't cover for you guys is pencil and how you might apply pencil to quickly shade something. So let's say we have a side view of something like a utility knife, something like that. Okay. You guys have seen these, certainly. All right, something like that. And let's go ahead and sketch it in perspective. A little tricky here. Okay, something like that. Super loose sketch, but let's say we had something like this. And we wanted to add some shape, body, form to this sketch. All right. So with pencil, what's interesting, if you have the right paper, there's a really fun thing you can do with your pencils. So I like to use Prismacolor Premier pencils. If I can find a black here. Okay, perfect. So I like to use Prismacolor Premier pencils. They've got a nice thick lead to them, super thick, long, as compared to the very thin pencil. I'll sharpen one just so you can see it. I tend to use the very thin pencils for like layout because the tip holds up a lot better and lasts longer. This one's a lot softer of a pencil. But what you can do is just take the pencil, put it on the side, and so now I'm just focusing on shading, not quite to the edge, and creating a bit of a shadow core along the perimeter of the object. So it's almost as if there's a nice healthy light source on the object, like a primary light source, and then in the environment you've got secondary. So this would be your secondary, and here is your primary. Okay, something like that. So shadow core here, and what I try to do is get a nice soft area of a blend, kind of like that, and then intensify it in certain areas. Okay, because what's happening is if your surface or your cross section, so if I were to slice through this, okay, and let's say I have a section kind of like this, where we have more of an edge or ramp up, this is where I want my kind of intense core, right, to be. And I'm going to have another core here, if I'm looking at this from the side. And then this is going to be my primary. I ran out of space, but my primary light source right there. Okay, if we're looking at this from the front or cross section. So that's my reasoning or understanding of why I would do it that way. All right, so we can take this pencil, even if this edge sticks out a little bit, if you're careful with the pencil, you can kind of add a little bit of shadow. So now I have something like this happening right there on that edge. Right, so on the blade itself, maybe something like that, close to this housing, and then just shade out. With a pencil, you don't want to draw with it like a pencil though. Draw with it like you would a pen, meaning take that confidence that you have to have with a pen and apply it to the pencil. Granted, with a pencil, you can do a lot of things. You can, flip it on your side like I am here and get these nice gradients in your drawing. But here's an example of, okay, as I'm exploring this quick idea, I just want to help it pop a little bit. So just a little bit of pencil, and we have two sketches that show the form like so. All right, we'll do the same with a marker on another quick sketch here so you guys can see. All right, boom.